We bundle up to go out into these Arctic temperatures, but is your house protected?
That's a good question because our TV6 reporter Tanya Spitzer found out. She shows us how thermal imaging technology is helping homeowners see where their heat and their dollars are escaping.
It is so important for people to understand that energy is not getting any cheaper.
Jim Schwartz with Center Grove Real Estate Inspections tracks energy flow for a living. His thermal imaging camera shows changes in temperature within 1/10 of a degree. But it's the big variances he's looking for in this ranch built in the 1960s.
And we notice on this signature of this camera, the heat signature that is all the way around that boot coming through the floor.
Schwartz says cold air is typically sucked in through crawl spaces, then comes in through floor vents or through low-level windows. Then warm air escapes through the highest points in your house. It's called the stack effect. The good news, once problem areas are identified, the fix is cheap, with only about $30 worth of materials needed. He says in addition to vents, doors, windows, and attic access areas inside homes should be sealed up tight too.
A roll of HVAC tape and 2 or 3 tubes of clear silicone caulk that with just a little fine pencil point bead and run in around these hard floors, and it will make a difference. If you've got old windows and you know they're drafty and all that sort of things, maybe you don't have much choice but to put those window kits on it, and they're very effective to get the job done. This is easy. It's a low-hanging fruit. This is not difficult. It's not difficult to do, and it's huge in terms of energy loss.
Schwartz says these simple fixes can save the average homeowner about $500 to $800 a year. Reporting on the southeast side, Tanya Spencer, RTV6.
That's a lot of money, and those thermal imaging cameras cost anywhere from $1,200 to $6,000, but you can rent them. But you need to be able to understand exactly what you're seeing. A professional home thermal scan complete with recommendations costs about $200.